Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can search for a filter on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And then what I mean by filter here is filter for Instagram story. So I'm going to go to your story to create an Instagram story. And I'm going to click on this camera icon. And basically guys, if you want to apply filter on Instagram, we just need to go right or go left here. And for your information, the filters in the left side are the filters I have saved on my Instagram. Meanwhile, the filters in the right side are the filters I haven't saved. Okay, and if we want to apply filter, we just need to choose the filter like this, and then the filter will be automatically applied to our Instagram story. Okay, and if you want to browse for a filter, or if you want to search for a filter, you just need to go to the right. Just scroll all the way to the right until you find this symbol. Oops, sorry guys, I accidentally closed it. Okay, just click on this menu. Okay, and here you'll be able to search for a specific filter. You just need to find the search bar here. Just click on this icon and you can search for a filter or a effect. For example, I'm just going to type in 4K effect or 4K filter. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and now the 4K effect or filter has been applied to my story. Just go to the search menu if you want to search for another filter, or you can search by its category. You can select trending, appearance, aesthetic, games, humor, special effect, or I don't know what it is called. Okay, and then you can go to this menu if you want to access the filter you have saved, or if you want to save, you just need to click on the save menu here. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to search for a filter on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!